Today I'm going to try to install Linux Lite. I was supposed to delete the partition, which I technically did. I installed Windows 11 onto this, which wiped out the existing Windows 7 partition that was on here. And I'm hoping what it did was it fixed the issue with the partition. So we'll see. It's going to boot up. I'll come back once it gets to the installation screen and we'll continue there. Got in. Let's go. Sorry about the screen. Click on continue. 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 And we're getting to the moment of truth, which is this next screen, I think. Taking a little while. Okay, now the moment I click continue, let's see if it can go any further. It usually takes a while, so let me pause this and come back if it ever does get past this part. I just realized why it's not installing. It's because this is a 64-bit installation and the netbook itself is 32 bits. So that's why I was getting stuck here, not because of the hard drive partition. It's very not smart of me. So again, I did a lot of unnecessary work. This HP netbook, which is 32 bits. I believe the reason why it's freezing is because I need a 32-bit operating system. And so it's getting stuck over here. Back to the drawing board. So I couldn't install Linux Lite because I'm using a 64-bit installation on a 32-bit hardware. I'm pretty sure this is 2010, so